I realized that a lot of people have no idea how we live here or have really the wrong impression of how we live here. So we decided to take you on a tour of Horizontes today. This is our valuable Isodrones car. It's quite old. It has some issues, but we love it because it gives us freedom of movement and allows us to get out of here sometimes and go to the beach, which is really important for our mental health. Then first stop, the bathroom. It's communal bathroom for all of us. We have some sinks, showers that only have one water temperature, and some of them have really low water pressure. Yeah. Then we have toilets here, not so exciting. Unless you get up in the middle of the night and come in here and kind of fear that you might meet snakes or tarantulas or other animals in the toilet. So this is where we spend a lot of time. It's kind of our office, as you can see. All of our laptops are here. We build stuff here. Yeah, it's quite nice to have an outdoor office. Unless it's evening and the bugs are flying into your laptop because it's the only light source. And this is Mareike and my room. Yeah. We have mosquito nets, which is quite nice because you don't have to fear that a scorpion might crawl into your bed at night. They like to hang out in our rooms, so we always have to keep the door closed, but sometimes they still get in, we don't know how. Yeah, so we're quite happy to have the mosquito nets. Here is our nice collection of sunscreen and mosquito repellent. That we really need. We need a lot of mosquito repellents because there's a lot of insects here. But still we get bitten a lot. We are basically itchy the whole time. We made this calendar that is color coded, and we can write in that one when we sampled what, and yeah, it helps me at least to keep some overview of what needs to be done and what happens. And because Mareike and me love lists, we made some lists of to-dos that we don't want to forget about, and also some science communication projects to keep track of all the videos that we are taking and the ideas that we have all the time. This is where the guys live. It looks the same as ours. It's 2 bunk beds, not a lot of space, no closets, mosquito nets. This is where our equipment lives. We have quite a lot of stuff, so we need an extra room. We use the bunk beds as shelves, as you can see. We have some stuff up here for baking bread when we miss home. Male started his own little sourdough baby in Costa Rica. And yeah, some leaves, some snacks if we get hungry during the day. We bought an oven to dry leaves. The drone bed, yeah, that's all the drone stuff we have. This is where we eat, the comedor. We get 3 meals a day. It's quite nice to have someone that cooks for you every day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. But it's a lot of rice and beans. A lot of times it's rice and beans 3 times a day, which is okay, but after 2 months you kind of want to eat something else. There's also the coffee sauce, really important to keep us caffeinated all day long. Ah yeah, there's some mango trees. And here is the soccer field, or mehenga, as they call it here, like the field soccer. So we play mehenga sometimes with the guys of the station. It was quite hard in the beginning to play mehenga at like 35 degrees, but yeah, it's good now and it's fun. And something else to do apart from work, which is good. And we have this tower which the guys use in the dry season to see if there is any wildfires in the dry forest. Yeah, we use it sometimes to climb it and just, I mean, I like mountains and I miss mountains, so I like to climb it sometimes. Yeah, and that's basically it. There's not really that much more. There's forest around and a lot of animals. That's how we live in the forest with like maybe 10 other Costa Ricans. Yeah, it's nice. It's completely different from home, I guess. But I mean, for 3 months I really like it, but I would not choose this life forever.